Welcome to our channel. Creating animated explainer videos doesn't require expensive software or professional animation skills. With the right free or affordable tools, you can produce engaging content that effectively communicates your message. Step 1. Choose an animation platform suitable for beginners, such as Vyond, Animaker, or Canva's video editor, which offer templates and drag-and-drop interfaces. Step 2. Write a clear script for your explainer video, keeping it concise and focused on solving one specific problem or explaining one key concept. Step 3. Create a storyboard by sketching or outlining the visual flow of your video, determining which scenes will accompany each part of your script. Step 4. Select a template from your chosen platform that matches your video's style and topic, giving you a starting point to customize. Step 5. Add characters to your scenes by choosing from the platform's library of pre-animated characters or creating custom characters if supported. Step 6. Create scene transitions by arranging your visual elements in a logical sequence and adding animations between scenes. Step 7. Add text overlays to emphasize key points, using clear fonts and keeping text on screen long enough for viewers to read comfortably. Step 8. Include background music from royalty-free libraries to make your video more engaging, ensuring the music doesn't overpower your narration. Step 9. Record or add voiceover narration by either recording your own voice or using text-to-speech features if your platform provides them. Step 10. Export your video in high-quality format suitable for your intended platform, whether YouTube, social media, or your website. Your animated explainer video is ready to educate and engage your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.